The number of deaths in the United Kingdom is at a 20-year high. This is due to the coronavirus pandemic, of course. But it seems there are other factors at play here as well. Going by the figures that have been released by the UK Office for National Statistics, COVID-19 deaths constitute only 1/3 of the total fatalities that occur during this time of the year. People with illnesses other than COVID-19 seem to be avoiding going to hospitals for treatment. For instance, visits to the emergency room have halved since the pandemic started, and deaths due to the flu and pneumonia have also a lot to do with the rise in death toll. There were 18,500 deaths recorded in the week up to the 10th of April. This is 8,000 more than the usual figure at this time of the year. The overall number of deaths topped 18,500. That is the highest since January 2000, when there was a bad flu outbreak, and it's also a lot higher than the recent flu season of 2015. Delving deeper into those numbers, it was found that more than 6,200 of these deaths were linked to the coronavirus, and the rest happened due to other conditions like flu or pneumonia or other pre-existing conditions. According to the data, 1 in 6 of these deaths happened outside hospitals. Since the start of the pandemic, more than 1,000 have died in care homes. These care homes have started reporting outbreaks among the residents, and it is being said that the situation had become quite difficult to control because of the lack of testing and protective equipment. And we're now joined by our correspondent Anila Chaudhary from London to help us better understand what the reports have been saying at this point. Care homes seem to be hit the hardest. How equipped are these facilities, Anila, really, to deal with the challenge?
Yes, that's right. Care homes here in the UK have been hit really hard, almost fivefold in 2 weeks, taking the total to around 5,000 deaths in care homes in the UK. Actually, in England and Wales, death certificates that have been issued show 1 in 3 are due to COVID-19. And in London, it's higher. The capital city has been really affected. 1 in almost half of death certificates that have been issued have been due to COVID-19. Now here in the UK, it's looking more like the total of deaths are above 23,000, making it one of the highest, actually the 5th highest death toll in the world. But scientists are hoping that this is the peak.
Right, and Anila, if you can also further interpret what the numbers that have been released really tell us.
Yes, that's right. It's looking like the number of deaths in the UK due to because the government was releasing daily figures that included deaths in hospitals only. Now new figures have been released by the Office for National Statistics here in the UK that also include deaths in care homes and hospices. So up to the week leading to April the 10th, the government had released figures saying there are around 9,000 deaths. The Office for National Statistics has said that actually that was looking more like over 12,000. It's put the UK on track to have one of the highest